Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Ikonart custom stencil kit. So I got this while I was up at Creativation and they just recently had shipped it to me and I got it in the mail yesterday. So I'm super excited. So I thought for step one, we would go ahead and just unbox it and set it up, and then we'll come back with the next video and I'll show you how this thing works. It's going to be really cool. We're going to be able to create our own stencils and use them on, you know, whether it's fabric or glass or wood or whatever it may be. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. So today I'm down on the floor, so don't judge me. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. So first thing you're gonna see is some bubble wrap. I only opened the top of it last night, so I haven't taken anything out. So let's see what all, now this stuff is photosensitive, so when you get yours, don't be opening the sheets. So the transfer sheets, don't be opening those in the light. We need to figure all that. So you're gonna get your quick setup guide. And let's see, I believe this is the light. Let me go ahead and pull it open just to double check. Oh, I believe this is the light, like I said, and this is an LED light, and it is. So they've got that like wrapped really nicely. It's got the cord on it, 20 watt. I'm gonna take it all the way out. We're gonna set it up here in just a second. We're just gonna see what all's in the box. You got your pole and screws and stuff that's gonna go into the base to the light. Let's see, we've got a user guide that's gonna show you us how to use it, which is awesome. We've got, the kit's gonna include the inkjet printer film as well as the laser. So if you have an inkjet printer, you're gonna wanna purchase this. A laser, you're gonna wanna purchase this one. Now I noticed online, I think, because it comes with 5 sheets each, it was super affordable. So you need to go to ikonart.com, and they told me that this kit's a $149 right now, but they will change it. So the introductory, what do you call it, introductory price is $149, but I think it is going to go up to like $200. So definitely try to snag them now. I'll have a link down below. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I just wanted to check it out for you guys because I knew a lot of y'all were interested. So inkjet, laser, you got the 2 options there. It comes with a clipboard for holding your stencils, I think, when you wash them off. And then it does come with your scraper, so it's pretty cool. And then it comes with this. You need this matte black cardboard. This is going to be for whenever you're doing your stencil with the light. I believe you're going to put this down on the base first. These right here, this is what's going to be light sensitive. This is your film for making your stencils. So don't be opening this, trying to check it out right away. Make sure you read instructions on the lighting and stuff like that. These are, it comes with 5 of them as well. These are 10 by 12. So that's going to be your stencil sheets. And then it comes with the base here. It looks like it comes with an Allen wrench to put it all together. And then your base. This base is super heavy. I'm trying to get it out. So it's heavy. Not too bad, but it is heavy. I think, let's see, is it hard like metal or hard plastic? I can't really tell right now. But anyways, it's super hard. This is going to be the base. So let's go ahead and get it put together. Okay, so let's go ahead and put together the exposure unit. So I've got our 20 watt LED light. So this is what it looks like once it's out of the packaging. The cord looks like it's about maybe 4 feet. It's pretty short. So I would have to have mine connected probably to an extension cord. They do recommend plugging it into like the little strips that have the on and off, because the only way to turn this on and off is going to be unplugging and plugging it back in. That way you have the on and off switch. So let's see, it looks like it's going to be pretty easy to put together. So number one, we need to add this pole here, and we've got several little screws and could be bolts, you know, I'm just a girl. And then your backs here and stuff too. So what we're going to do, step one, it says to attach our pole. So it looks like to add the pole, it's going to be super easy. All we're going to do is add the pole on this side. So you're going to add hopefully you guys can see everything in frame here. I'm down here on the floor. All right, so all I'm going to do is sit here and I'm holding the screw underneath and just twisting this on. So it's pretty easy enough. So once again, you're going to get it on there, and we're going to take another screw here and just get it on. Now that's where we may want to use our little Allen wrench to make it a little bit easier. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So For the next step, we are going to attach the light. So it does have this piece that will turn like this, so that way you can make that flat. And this is pretty tight on there. So the last place we're gonna do is we're gonna add our last screw. And on this one, we have this piece and then a washer, which I'm thinking, so it goes probably like this. Then we have a washer that should probably go on, I'm saying probably, and then we're gonna insert this. So if you notice, hopefully you guys can see because my hand's not in the way, I'm just gonna twist that on there. And then you can see the cord, hopefully you guys can see it, the cord is going that way. That way I can plug it in and it'll be out of the way. All right, so just like that. So there is our exposure light. Easy peasy. Just want to make sure it's straight, and then you'll be able to plug it in the wall just like that. So there it is so far. So with this, for $149, you get the exposure lamp set up there, and then you're going to get the photo film, you're going to get the inkjet printer and the laser printer film. You get a piece of black chipboard to put down as well to help with the exposure. You get a clipboard, I believe, for help washing it out. So you get quite a bit of things, the squeegee and everything like that for $149. Like I said, I do recommend that you get it now. Because they said that it's probably going to go up to around $200 after this initial introductory offer. So like I said, I'm not affiliated with them in any sort of way, but definitely had a lot of requests from you guys to check this out. So I thought we'd check it out for the channel. There's tons of videos to come using. We're going to use some chalk paints with this. We're going to do some screen printing, all kinds of things. So definitely stay tuned for that. So like I said, this was just initial to get it going, to show you how to set it up. It was super, super easy. I think the packaging was amazing, was super cute, and everything was packaged very nicely. The shipping was really quick. So just stay tuned. My next video will show you guys whether it's worth purchasing this or not. We're going to play with it, so just stay tuned. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.